I'm now capable of driving my team.
And the environment that I got in the company, that was really amazing.
It's all about the thought and the vision that we carry within our organization to attain the next level.
Genonstack has encouraged me to do the work independently. So if I talk about my journey, as every fresher has a dream to work in a company that works in a multiple technology. Same, I was having a dream to work in a company that do not limit myself to a particular technology.
My work experience at Genonstack has taught me so much, making me realize the true facet of technology. The journey involved a lot of challenges, learnings, and a lot of discoveries. Working with DevOps team, I have been inspired by the buzz and the enthusiasm of the employers they have towards the organization developments. My stay has given me an insight into the working life, and this experience has inspired me to work even more harder to achieve my dreams.
It's been a year working with Genonstack. I have started my journey as an intern in Genonstack. Now I am working as an employee, and I am very happy to be the part of Genonstack. As Genonstack is like family to me. Our CEO Mr. Navdeep Singh Gill has supported me in every phases which I have faced. He has given me an opportunity to improve and to prove myself in the field and motivated me in every times.
It was really a major break for me. Getting opportunity to actually implement whatever I have studied so far in statistics was really an amazing.
And I have closely seen the growth of the organization from then to now. And I really feel pleasured to get a chance to work in the organization like Genonstack.
As a fresh graduate, it's very difficult for us to decide what career prospects would be best fit for us, especially with the focus being largely on achieving good A levels, leaving little time for exploring what the workplace could be like. However, at Genonstack, I realized it is not the job or the projects we do. It's all about the thought and the vision that we carry within our organization to attain the next level.
I have become more confident in my approach. I am now capable of driving my team toward the vision of the organization.
And here we are getting a good environment to learn and to explore new things. Our people and culture team give us a good motivation sessions and give us an opportunity, give us the spirit to learn and grow things, and they organize different activities in our employees.
And as this is my first company and I have learned many more things from here, I've learned how can I convert my mistakes into the lessons, and still I am learning.
The best part here is no matter the employee level, every employee feels valued in all the aspects of their lives, including both their professional and their personal aspirations.
In Genonstack, personal and professional life, they keep different. They do not mix personal and professional life. So the things in Genonstack is that they should be in a professional manner.
We are experimenting a lot. Actually, we are all experimenting. But obviously, when you experiment, you don't get results each and every time. But still, that getting from 0% to something is what I have realized here. Working as a full-time employee, and I got the opportunity to train the interns, the freshers. I mean, the company is giving full opportunity to the interns, freshers. They're recruiting those people.
I have enjoyed speaking with members from various teams within and having greater insights into what their daily work entails. It has been those conversations only which raised my confidence and given me an outlook into the working world.
One thing I really like about Genonstack is its way of working. as it is working on different technology stacks like big data, DevOps, artificial intelligence.
In Xenonstack, you will be learn new things. You will love to see the environment, and every weekend we plan to play and do some activities to relax our mind and celebrate festivals and birthdays together.
The best thing here is the opportunity to develop yourself as a leader.
The most thing I like about Xenonstack is that they give us an opportunity to explore new things and in new environment.
And here they make us work dynamically, like you're not stick to a single technology. You get a chance to work in the different technologies and explore them.
Yes, I love to recommend my friends to join Xenonstack, because Xenonstack gives us a platform for the fresher to indicate to learn more things. So it would be better for the fresher to join Xenonstack, because they get an environment, the better environment the fresher needs, the guidance, the proper guidance.
And yes, I'll definitely recommend my juniors and my friends for the Xenonstack, as this is the place where I feel you can grow more.
I'm hoping someday that more people get from my university, like Xenonstack, give opportunity to such people. They're taking those freshers out of such places. So it's really amazing.
So, lastly, be focused and achieve your goal.
I would strongly recommend Xenonstack for those who want to make a difference in their life, personally as well as professionally, and most important, those who want to explore beyond the limits. If you are really growth oriented and want to be a part of culture of progressive and thoughtful minds, Xenonstack, I assure, is the right place for you. We always welcome creative minds to achieve the next level.